Hey everyone! Welcome to Crypto On-Chain. I'm hosting a quick giveaway, and it's super easy to join. Here's what you need to do. Like this video, subscribe to the channel, and drop a comment telling me why you could use some extra cash. Once we hit 2,000 likes, I'll randomly pick one lucky winner to get at least $80. So, let's get those likes up, and now, let's dive into today's video. Memeland Airdrop Guide: How to Earn and Stake $Meme Tokens. What is Memeland? Memeland is a Web3 studio created by the team behind 9gg, one of the internet's most iconic platforms for memes. It's more than just a venture, it's a movement to combine the power of blockchain with community-driven initiatives. Their mission is to create a space where creativity, memes, and technology intersect, fostering a new kind of social and financial ecosystem. At its core, Memeland focuses on building a decentralized, community-first company. This ecosystem empowers creators, engages communities, and revolutionizes how we think about memes and culture. With a sharp focus on social finance, and creator economies, Memeland blends transparency, decentralization, and blockchain technology to redefine how communities and creators interact. The driving force behind Memeland is the Meme token, designed to bring creators and fans together in a seamless and rewarding way. If you're passionate about memes or want to explore new opportunities in Web3, Memeland is a place you won't want to miss. Understanding Memeland tokenomics. The Meme token is the lifeblood of the Memeland ecosystem. With a total supply of 69 billion tokens, Memeland has carefully allocated them to ensure fairness, growth, and long-term value. Let's break it down. Total supply: $69 billion Meme tokens. Airdrop: 25% of the supply is reserved for a crypto airdrop, released gradually to encourage sustained community engagement. Community presale: 11% allocated for presale, with an initial 2.75% unlocked. Ecosystem treasury: a pool to fund future development and expansion. Private sale: reserved for strategic partners and early supporters. Contributors: rewards for developers and collaborators building Memeland. Binance launch pool and advisors, to strengthen partnerships and guidance. This distribution is designed to balance incentives for early adopters, community members, and long-term contributors. The gradual unlocking ensures the Meme token's value remains sustainable over time. What is the Memeland Airdrop? The Memeland Airdrop is one of the most exciting events for crypto enthusiasts in 2024. It's an opportunity for early supporters, NFT holders, and pre-sale participants to earn free Meme tokens. Here's how it works. Eligible participants: holders of specific Memeland NFTs, such as MVP, Captains, and Patatas NFTs. Pre-sale participants automatically qualify. Telegram users can participate via the Memeland Airdrop bot. Airdrop stages. The airdrop is divided into several stages, ending in November 2024. Each stage rewards participants with Meme tokens based on their engagement and holdings. Bonus rewards. Pre-sale participants are entered into a $1 million prize pool drawing. By participating in the airdrop, you not only get free tokens but also early access to Memeland's evolving ecosystem. What is staking? Staking your Meme tokens is a great way to earn passive income while supporting the Memeland ecosystem. Memeland offers a unique in-game bank where users can lock up their Meme tokens and enjoy impressive returns. High APY, earn an annual percentage yield, APY, exceeding 1,000%, one of the highest in the crypto space. Hourly rewards. Unlike traditional staking systems, Memeland provides hourly payouts, giving users consistent earnings. Passive income. Staking allows you to grow your Meme holdings without active trading, making it ideal for long-term investors. With such lucrative rewards, staking in Memeland is a no-brainer for anyone holding Meme tokens. Benefits of joining the Memeland Airdrop. Participating in the Memeland Airdrop comes with a range of perks. Free Meme tokens. Get your hands on Meme before it's officially listed on exchanges. This early access is invaluable for investors looking to capitalize on potential price growth. League System. Memeland introduces a gamified league system where participants can climb ranks and unlock rewards based on their token accumulation and staking performance. Staking rewards. Earn high APY through staking, enabling rapid token accumulation and long-term wealth building. Community involvement. By joining the airdrop, you become part of a thriving community of meme enthusiasts, creators, and crypto supporters. How to buy and trade $Meme tokens. If you missed the airdrop or want to expand your $Meme holdings, buying and trading tokens is easy through trusted exchanges like CoinEx. Here's a step-by-step guide. Sign up on CoinEx. Create a free account on the platform. Deposit funds. Add cryptocurrency or supported fiat to your account. Find $Meme tokens. Navigate to the memes/USDT trading pair on CoinEx. Buy tokens. Specify how many $Meme tokens you want to purchase, confirm your order, and execute the trade. Start trading or staking. Hold your tokens for long-term gains, or stake them for passive income. Why Memeland is a game changer. Memeland isn't just another crypto project, it's a bold vision to reshape how we think about memes, community, and finance. Backed by the 9GG team, Memeland blends humor with cutting-edge blockchain technology, creating a platform that's both fun and functional. For meme lovers, dive into a world where memes fuel an entire economy. For investors, explore a tokenomics model that prioritizes fairness and growth. For communities, connect with like-minded individuals passionate about creativity and decentralization. Final thoughts. Memeland is more than a Web3 venture, it's a celebration of meme culture powered by blockchain. With opportunities to earn through airdrops, stake for high rewards, and trade on trusted platforms, $Meme tokens are opening new doors for crypto enthusiasts everywhere. Whether you're here for the memes or the money, Memeland has something for everyone. Don't miss your chance to be part of this exciting journey. Join Memeland now and embrace the future of memes.